Oh my God.
The future scares me. Bro, the future scares me. It's just gonna be a matter of time until Ben says, come here, Julia, come here, Arthur. And we're like,
no.
but I'm tired. And it zaps us.
I wanna get him a little cowboy hat.
Come on.
Come on, little Ben.
Who's your good boy? He kind of like walks like a drunk person, Loki. Come on.
Do you think we should put him on a leash?
Maybe you should have been, huh?
Dogs should all be on leashes. Go ahead, Ben.
There we go.
Go ahead.
Oh, that is just Ben, our dog. Ben? Yeah, he behaves. He doesn't pee or anything.
I don't know. It looks like he's about to jump at.
Oh,
Ben,
no,
can you show her a trick?
Sit.
Oh, Ben.
Sit. I'm here.
Sit.
Julia.
Ben, lay down.
I am sleepy.
Oh,
There we go.
Good dog.
Sweet boy. Oh, sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Ben, can you dance? He takes a little bit to load. He's not the smartest thing, but
Yeah.
well, let's try to get him up the stairs.
Okay.
Ben, come on.
Come on, Ben.
How are you? Good. Girl, you've been killing it with your fights.
Ben?
I just have to say, so she might look nice and innocent, but she actually fucks people up in Muay Thai. You are so good. When's your next fight?
In August.
Oh my God.
Monka.
She's cooler than me. Okay, you ready, Ben? Ben, come on.
Ben?
Okay.
Ben?
I'm here.
Wake up. Ben?
Does he need a charge?
Ben?
Does he need help?
Oh, be careful. Oh, okay. I think we can just like bring him up then. Have him have a little bit of rest for a second.
Oh, Ben, you're heavy.
As long as he doesn't poop anywhere.
Fuck. Ben, come on.
Oh, do you know the password of the Ironforge gym?
It's like a bunch of long characters, so I'd have to give it to you. Ben, come on, get up. Arthur, I don't know what's wrong with him.
Come on, Ben. Ben.
I'm here.
Stand up. Stand up.
Let's go.
Oh my
God, there we go. He's like, let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Come on, Ben. There we go.
What's up, guys?
Hello.
Look, it's Ben.
Ben? Ben,
I'm here.
say hello.
Is this a person?
I don't know. It's weird though.
It's AI. He's like sometimes a little bit confused. Ben, wave your hand.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Well,
Bro, he chases me.
he's like a dog.
No.
All right.
I'm sorry. I don't know what he's doing. Bye, y'all.
Come on, my man. Ben.
I think he goes butt first to protect his cameras.
Oh, you think?
Yeah.
Because
Because the camera's on the front, so I think he like.
Oh, it's like in non-obstacle mode.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
Because I guess if he falls face first, it'll destroy the camera or whatever's rotating on the front.
He's like wiggling his butt when he's walking. It's almost like he's like confused. Are we confused, Ben?
Oh my God. Every time I go into the Ironforge office, it looks different.
Oh, there's like something else going on?
What is going on?
Oh my God. Even Ben is like scared. There we go. Dude, look at the floor. It still looks brand spanking new. Like the floor and the walls is like the only thing that looks brand spanking new. Amazing.
We got
remember?
Knut's nasal spray.
Is it nasal spray?
I think so. But
So
this is nice. I like his new setup. It looks like he's trying to like do some gaming and walk on the treadmill and do his cardio.
that's right. So, all right, chat. So a couple of weeks ago, it was Knut's 40th birthday, which is why, what is it? 41.
He's 41.
I thought he turned 40.
Sure, you turned 40 last year.
I thought
I
he.
think it's his 40. Wait.
I think the big 40 was today, like not today, but like this year.
I
So was
could
it
be
this year
wrong.
or was it? I'm pretty sure it was this year.
No, 40.
Okay, he's 40. Yeah,
He's 40.
40. That's why we got him like dumbbells that look like barrels with like small little cutie patootie gifts. Pog.
Patootie gift.
Like some zinc and some dude wipes.
some steroids at the bottom.
That's right. And like
Needles.
other fun stuff. So this will be waiting here for Knut when he's back.
This is his creatine too.
Oh, we also got him his creatine in chat. If you were there for the stream and you were spamming, what were you spamming?
They were just spamming. We didn't do 5 gifted or anything.
No.
Because that was kind of like weird.
There was quite a lot, but if you were there, you are here. Well, until we gave up typing.
Oh.
But I think I need the Wi-Fi for a second because I think Ben's intelligence might be maybe
Let me
limited.
see. Let me see if I can just show you the password because I think it's just like a bunch of random letters.
But yeah, Knut's birthday was about a month ago, and which is crazy. I want to say I see Knut almost every week. Somehow I haven't seen him since he turned 40.
Have we not seen him since then?
No, I have not seen him in a minute.
What is
Settings.
this?
What is this?
Is this?
I
don't know what that is. I might not even be connected to the Wi-Fi. I don't know what this is. Is this the name of it? This has to be the name, but I don't know where the password is.
You think you can get it from the front?
I could ask. Well,
There's
there is an IFG members.
Somebody's name there is Ray Guitart.
Yeah,
Bro.
let me go ask.
Thank you.
I'll be right back.
Just message Knut. Well, here's the deal. If we always message people about everything, imagine how many times people would message Knut and call him at all times. He's like customer support for like, hello, this is Knut from Ironforge Gym. Or you need the Wi-Fi password? Yes, just give me a moment. It is Ironforge. Yes, with an I. No. Hi, Danny. Hi. I was going to say that. That's goddamn right. Did you see the girl from Obsession is a streamer on... Oh my god, yes. Josh, did you know